Oh, it's cold.
Yeah, it's come out of the freezer, so I want to put it back in the freezer, so
nice.
get off it.
No.
Get off it, you're melting my meat.
Yeah, I don't want to do that, do I?
So, this is the Plant Pioneers, I can't say.
Pioneers?
Plant Pioneers meat-free mince, and it's made with soy
mince.
And clouds.
That's not mince.
And buttercups, and you know those fluffy seed things that you blow. What are they called? The angel seed things.
I've no idea.
It's not really. Actually, I'll show you so Andy doesn't confuse everybody. Here's the ingredients list.
It's made of
help me, Mandy.
Fluffy fluff.
There we go.
Fluffy fluff.
So there you go. If you can see it, this is tricky. I'm trying to do this without pouring meat all over the table.
Oh.
So there's the ingredients.
I wouldn't mind a bit of meat on the table right now.
You wouldn't mind meat on your table, no?
No.
Mandy's so rude. So there you go. There's the nutrition information and the cooking information. So we're going to hand over to our friends at Vegasm for a second.
Vegasm!
And we're gonna show you what this looks like if you make our banging burritos or our chili non-carne. So there you go. This dish takes about 10 minutes to prepare and about 10 minutes to cook. Mandy hasn't got her face on, but yeah. So Mandy won't have to try it, and nor will I, because it was in this recipe on Vegasm that's going to be going up on Thursday, I believe. I could be wrong.
Where's my face?
Yeah, where's your face?
Where is it?
So there you go, there's chili non-carne 2 ways. Just put a little bit of that creme fraiche on there. So there you go, guys. What did you think? Yeah, Mandy tried it. Mandy, stop. You already put radishes on the floor.
Radishes are cool.
Yeah, radishes are cool. Very nutritious. So, Mandy, you tried this. What did you think?
It's banging.
It is banging, isn't it?
Yeah.
Out of all of the plant minces...
Oh, no.
Sorry,
Andy!
I'm a bit windy. So, oh, Mandy. Touche. So, yeah, out of all of the plant minces, this is actually my favourite so far. It really has got the best meaty texture. It's really nice in that burrito.
Oh, so good. With that vegan cheese.
Yeah.
Oh.
And this one's actually quite cheap as well. So I'm gonna put the price.
Talking of vegan cheese, we have a special cheese, and it's festive vegan cheese, and it has 4 of them in it in one.
Oh, well, that pack that we got in SAINSBURY'S.
Yeah.
It's got a 4 in 1. We're going to be doing that later in the week or next week.
Yeah, so looking forward to that.
Yeah, it's
Go
like
on, Andy,
a Christmas.
how much is it?
I don't know, but I'm going to put the price up there with where you can buy it from. Plant Pioneers, good job. We really like this.
Why do you talk so much?
Coffee.
Have you had coffee?
I might have did.
Have you?
Might have done.
Have you?
Yeah, I did, yeah.
Andy.
I was kind of hinting that I had, yeah, in a tongue-in-cheek
There's
sort of
fireworks going.
Yeah, there is. At least it's not the police helicopter like we had earlier.
Yeah, it's po-po at the moment.
It is. Well, my lovely vegans, we're going to wrap this one up. Plant Pioneers, if you haven't seen it yet, go find it. Links below for everything. As always, Mandy.
Bye.
Pee off.
Oh, nipples!